Namaste everyone and welcome to Distance Learning Center of Best Montessori Elementary School. I am Ranjan Dhakal. Today I am here with a topic percentage from mathematics of year 9. Today I shall discuss a basic concept what percentage means, and actually percentage it is derived from a Latin word percentum, which means 100. Now that means when we say percent, we are saying per 100. That means if we say 5%, it is 5 out of 100. It is 5 per 100. Now we can see here 1 percentage means 1 per 100. The line is divided into 100 equal parts and the one part is shaded green. That means 1% is shaded green because 1 out of 100 is shaded green. Now in the next figure, the square box, it is divided into 100 equal parts. Now and 50 parts are shaded green out of 100. That means 50 out of 100. That means it is 50%. And we can say 50% of this box is green. Now per 100, that means we all of them must think 75%, it means 75 out of 100, 75 by 100. 700% means 700 out of 100. And here is example, 200% is 200 out of 100. That means we can say 2. That means twice of a number. Look, 200 is twice of 100. Now let's move to some of the examples how to find percentage. Now if we have to find the percentage of a given number, if it's not in case of 100, for here it's 25%. Now what we have come to know is that 25% actually means 25 out of 100, but the question here is not out of 100, it's out of 80. That means we have to calculate 25% of 80, not 25% of 100. That means 25% means 25 of 100 of 80 means, now here in mathematics, of multiply by 80. That means we will get 20. Now we can say 25% of 80 is 20. Let's move to another example. Now here it is given the value of A is 20, B is 50, similarly C is 80, D is 75, E is 100, and now we have to find the percentage of A of B. That means A out of B, A out of B, and this A out of B in a fraction is converted or can be converted into percentage when we multiply by 100. Whenever a fraction or a decimal is multiplied by 100, we get it converted into percentage. That means A out of B, A by B. Now we have to convert that into percentage, into 100%. Now A is the value of A is 20, value of B is 50. 20 by 50 into 100%, that we come to 40%. Let's move to another example. Now in this example, the cost of oil was increased from rupees 12. That means initially it was rupees 12 for 1 liter, and after increment its final price became 21 per liter. That means 21 from 12. What percentage is its price increased? Now first we have to give emphasis. We are calculating percentage of what? Here we are calculating percentage of price increased. Before finding percentage, we must know its quantity. That means let's find what is the price increased. Look, increased price, increased rate is, initially it was 12 and now it is 21. That means it will be 21 minus 12. Now that gives 9 per liter. Now it is increased. Now increased by 9, as we have to calculate the increased percentage, increased by 9, and it is increased from 12. That's why 9 from 12. That's why we write it 9 divided by 12 into 100%. Now this we can calculate this. Okay, now while finding the percentage, we must keep emphasis, or we must keep in our mind that calculating percentage of what and from what. If I say, if we have to find the percentage of discount, then percentage of discount, that means we can say we must know discount, and discount is subtracted from mark price, that means we must know mark price. That means discount upon mark price, because discount is calculated, is taken in mark price. Now we have to convert it into percentage, that means into 100%. Simple. I hope these basic concepts about percentage was really helpful, and in the next video I will continue with some more problems about percentage. Till then, I have to say bye bye from Distance Learning Center, Montessori. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.